Let's take a look at your markets now. Kicking things off at home, the JSE getting a sour handover from Asia. As you can see, that negative sentiment filtering through to the local markets. This despite positive data where we saw factory activity ticking up. The PMI for July moving back into expansionary territory, boding well for the local manufacturing sector. We also had that Fed rate cut euphoria return to market. That's still not swaying the JSE. As you can see, it is red across the board. The JSE all share down 1.1%. That was mainly driven by the resources 10 complex down 2.3%, followed by the industrial 25 losing close to 0.9%, the financial 15 down near 0.6%. Moving over to the US now. Those markets kicked off the day in the green, but things have taken a turn. This despite the Fed hinting at a rate cut in September. There's also been economic data pointing to possible monetary easing in the future, with weekly jobless claims coming in higher than expected, showing that more people in the US are claiming unemployment checks. Traders on that end also digesting earnings reports from pharmaceutical giant Moderna, as well as Facebook's parent company Meta. With that, we are seeing red screens as well over there. The S&P 500 down 0.79%. The Nasdaq and the Dow are both down over 1%. Across the Atlantic now, it is a sea of red on that front as well. Those markets digesting a 25 basis point rate cut from the Bank of England. This is the first cut in 4 years. We also have earnings season heating up in Europe. Rolls-Royce, a top pick from that region, that share price jumping up to 11% at one point today after the company reinstated its dividend and raised its profit forecast on the back of strong first half results. Looking at those markets, another downbeat, a downbeat day on that front as well. The FTSE 100 down 1%, the CAC 40 and the DAX both down over 2.2%. Let's take a look at how the Rand has fared today. The local unit performing quite well on the back of a soft dollar as markets pencil in a Fed rate cut as soon as September. We are seeing slight weakness in the Rand. It's trading at 18.16 to the dollar. The pound to the Rand stronger at 23.20. The euro to the Rand also stronger at 19.60. And looking at your other currency pairs now. The euro to the dollar at 1.07, the pound to the dollar at 1.27, and the dollar to the yen just above 150.